Will I be where we got a casualty? Oh, we got a gravity, thinking that I'm glad I'm free. Will I be where we got a casualty? Oh, we got a gravity, thinking that I'm glad I'm free.
Back in 2009, things got crazy. Had to drop out of college, couldn't make the payments. Riding around in my Buick like a silly Mercedes. Bumping some Lil Wayne like this dude the greatest. All of my circles had a common thread. Thought we was living, we was kinda dead. Drunk on the interstate, I'm dodging feds. Late night paper planes, so my eyes are red. Felt like I had the world at my fingertips. Shooting my shot with shorties and I rarely miss. Know this the game, but at this point I'd rather ride the bench. Seatbelt didn't exist, and that's when it clicked.
Will I be where we got a casualty? Oh, we got a gravity, thinking that I'm glad I'm free. Will I be where we got a casualty? Oh, we got a gravity, thinking that I'm glad I'm free.
Y'all pipe down, pipe down. Man, bro, who is that?
Man, I'm trying to tell these youngsters, man. Yunomike.
Yunnomike? Man, turn that man up, man, lit.
Bro, I'm trying to tell these youngsters, man. Stop playing with the boy. Couple years later, felt like I'm stuck up on the elevator. I'm doing good, could be doing greater. Minor issues, but they turning major. Getting caught up in my own web. Playing mind games in my own head. Blue lights in my code red. Behind these bars, all the scars I ain't told yet. Playing with the hand I was dealt, that's a whole bet. I'm surprised that I'm still alive. Going 200 in the 35. Pride wouldn't let me seek help, so God strapped his word to me like a seatbelt.
Will I be where we got a casualty? Oh, we got a